Hello. In this video we will explore a few aspects concerning marriage. The target audience is especially for the youths who are considering marriage. To begin with, the root word upon which the English word marriage derives from is the French
mariage
or
du mariage,
which means the legitimate or lawful union of two people under the conditions provided for by law. How beneficial is marriage for two individuals? In superhero movies, there are times when the individually strong superheroes need to work together or supervillains need to work together to overcome a powerful enemy. Everyday life and the world that we live in continually bombards us with challenges and discouragement. According to the World Health Organization, an estimated 3.8% of the population experience depression, including 5% of adults, and 5.7% of adults older than 60 years. Approximately 280 million people in the world have depression. Depression is about 50% more common among women than among men. More than 700,000 people die due to suicide every year. Suicide is the fourth leading cause of death in 15 to 29-year-olds. People who have lived through abuse, severe losses or other adverse events are more likely to suffer depression. You may have trouble doing normal day-to-day activities, and sometimes you may feel as if life isn't worth living. Problems at school and work can also result in depression. According to the empirical evidence related to sex differences in various domains of emotional processing, women have steadily rated themselves as better at emotional expression. Specifically, they have self-reported feeling various emotions more often, more intensely, and have expressed their emotions more than men during social interactions or towards emotional stimuli. Women also consistently showed greater proficiency in coding and decoding both verbal and non-verbal emotional expression. They are also expected to smile more, share their feelings more, and express emotions more often and with greater intensity than men. In contrast to this, men are expected to inhibit their emotions more, except for so-called powerful emotions, for example anger or pride. From this research, we can deduce that generally, since men can inhibit their emotions on most occasions, as compared to women, men are more logical and steadier under intensely pressured situations. Another biological and physiological component, which pertains to the women, is a condition known as primary ovarian insufficiency. These are menopausal effects experienced in unaffected women in her late 20s. The symptoms include irregular or the absence of menstruation, insomnia, infertility and dryness of the vagina which may result in discomfort during intercourse. With life and the world already weighing people heavily down, what better choice do young people have but to prepare themselves to commit to someone and support someone to collaborate with through whatever life presents them?